Hi, it's Angeline here. Today I'm going to show you a fun and quick technique on how you can use your marker pens, any marker pens that you have, to color in your image. So first I'm using this Cuddlebug turtle from Unity, and I'm grabbing some of my Tombow dual brush pens here in blues and browns. And today I'm going to be using the fine tip end, which kind of looks like this. So I've already grabbed 3 shades of browns here from light to dark, and I'm starting off with the lighter shade and just dotting some dots onto the white space. Sometimes we have problem in coloring and blending, so I think this is a really fun and fast way to fill up your blank space. And you could go as many shades and colors as you want, but here I'm just doing 3 shades. So next I'm doing the sky, and here is the final result. So do grab your marker pens and do try this technique out, and thanks for watching. Bye!